In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete and close your Whop account. Please keep in mind that this process is final. Once you delete your account, all your data, purchases, and memberships will be completely removed, and you won't be able to recover them later. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. Once you're there, locate the tab labeled Danger Zone. It's a section that you often find in app settings where significant actions take place. And this is where you'll find the tools you need to complete the deletion process. Scroll down until you reach the section marked Delete Account. This is an important part of the process, designed clearly for the specific purpose of starting your account deletion journey. On selecting the Delete Account section, a warning message will pop up on your screen. This message is crucial as it explains in detail what happens once you delete your account. Additionally, it reminds you that this action cannot be undone. Please take your time to read and fully understand the implications of deleting your account, as all your data will be lost forever. If, after considering the warning, you're sure you want to continue, go ahead and click on the confirmation button to proceed. This is your first confirmation step, making sure you really mean to take this permanent step. Next, you may be asked to re-enter your password. This is a necessary security measure designed to confirm that it's indeed you making the request to delete your account. It prevents unauthorized attempts to delete your valuable accounts and ensures your data is kept safe from external threats until you decide otherwise. After confirming your password, you will reach the final stage of the process. Here, Whop will ask you to type the word delete to finalize the process. By doing this, you're signaling your clear and definitive intention to delete your account. This is, of course, irreversible, so make sure that this step is taken deliberately and carefully. Once you type in delete and confirm, your account will vanish permanently. You won't be able to log in again, and none of your information will be preserved. Should you decide to return to Whop in the future, you'll need to start fresh by creating a brand new account. And that's it. That's how to permanently delete and close your Whop account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.